Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today we're going to be making some homemade condensed milk. Stay tuned.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So all you need to make this condensed milk, I'm using 500 mils of whole milk and 3 ounces of granulated sugar. Put the milk in the pan, and after about 2 minutes add in your sugar, and make sure you stir this properly until the sugar has completely dissolved. Now you want to have your heat on a medium flame. Now after about 10 minutes I stirred this just to make sure that there was no more sugar. Now as you can see, there's a light simmer going on, but it's not actually boiling. Now all I'm doing now, I'm just skimming off the top of the milk because the thing got settled up on top. Just get yourself a bowl with some water and a spoon and just skim it off and just put that in the water. Now I let this cook for about 40 minutes in total. Now when it's finished, I went ahead with my spoon just round the edges just to gather that extra layer that has gathered on top. Now after this has cooled, I put it in a jar and left it in the fridge. When you initially finish and it has cooled, it will have a runny consistency. Leave it in the fridge and it will get thick, trust me. There you have it, guys, my homemade condensed milk. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram at Shell's Homestyle Kitchen. Store this in your fridge for, I would say, a maximum of 7 days. When you're ready to use it, just take it out, give the jar a good shake because it does collect some residue. Just give it a shake and it will disappear. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're still here with me, leave me a glass milk emoji, and don't forget to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit, but only you can limit yourself.